Hey there viewers, May 25th, 2019. I'm out here with a broken BMW. I broke it. This is one of the pieces I broke. So I got a new radiator hose. And then this one here, it was pretty old, I think. It's actually got a BMW part number on it. I had to break it to get it off. I had to stick a screwdriver down in here to get it off the bottom of the radiator. So I got a new one. So that's cool. If you're ever under the front of an E46 sedan doing this job, here it is. There's your alternator, there's your power steering. This is the thermostat connection, air conditioning compressor, etc. As far as the old bits that came off, here's one of them. This is the original pulley, and it had the dust cover on it. But you have to take that off to get the bolt out. Here's the new one. So here's the old tensioner for the air conditioner. Here's the new one. The old drive tilt tensioner. And new one. Here's the old water pump. To remove the water pump, I used 2 bolts. You take these 4 off. These are nuts, actually. And then you screw a bolt through this threaded hole and it pulls it off the block. This is plastic. The pulley is also plastic. And this one has a date code of 2012 on it. March of 2012. So it's been replaced. Here's the new one. I think it's made in Germany. Looks about the same. I like the fact that it has a metal impeller instead of this plastic one. That's kind of cool. So the thermostat housing, had to get a new one of those because I broke that taking it off. That's the sensor connector. This one's still broke clean inside because it was only on there for a year and a half or so. Here's the new one. Pretty much the same. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and we'll get back to you.